everyone, and welcome to this lecture on the history of mass communication. In this lecture, we will be discussing the work of Niccolò Machiavelli, an Italian scholar who is considered to be one of the founders of modern communication science. Machiavelli was a political philosopher who lived in the 16th century. He was interested in the power of communication to influence public opinion and to shape political outcomes. He argued that rulers should use all means necessary to maintain their power, including the use of propaganda and disinformation. Machiavelli's approach to mass communication was based on the idea that people are easily manipulated and that they can be persuaded to believe anything if it is presented to them in a persuasive way. He also believed that the media could be used to control the masses and to prevent them from challenging the authority of the rulers. Machiavelli's work had a profound impact on the development of mass communication. His ideas were adopted by rulers and governments around the world, and they continue to be used today. His work has also influenced the development of modern propaganda techniques, which are still used by governments and corporations to manipulate public opinion. Machiavelli's ideas were not universally accepted. Some scholars criticize his work for being too cynical and for advocating the use of immoral means to achieve political goals. Machiavelli's work was also influenced by the political and social climate of his time. He lived in a period of great political instability, and his work reflects the challenges that rulers face in maintaining their power. His work has been controversial, but it remains an important contribution to the field of mass communication. His ideas continue to be debated and discussed today, and they have had significant impact on the way we think about the power of communication. So in conclusion, Niccolò Machiavelli was a pioneer in the field of mass communication. His work had a profound impact on the development of the field, and his ideas continue to be used today.